Minsan talaga, government offices are so...
Good morning. Fit check, Shopee, Love Ho Faith from Instagram, Pen Shop, and Adidas. I'm just gonna give you a turn for no apparent reason. Ready to be productive today. Sana ikaw din. I went to the 8th floor of our hospital to follow up some documents that I really need. But they disappointed me again. The next few seconds is just me ranting.
It's still 1 p.m. but I'm so tired already. Ang dami ko ng lakad. Wala pa akong water. Wala pa akong any meals for the day. Minsan talaga, government offices are so...
To calm me down, nanood na lang ako ng Snorin snippets. Fan ka rin ba ng Snorin? Let me know by commenting down below.
Ikaw pa rin yung gusto ko.
Kaya tayo, gusto mo akong inaano eh.
Eee! Grabe yung smile na yan, oh.
Ew, I hate your smile.
That's it for today. Have a great one.